Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel WebToTech. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to reset Bybit account password. So let's jump to the process. To reset Bybit account password, you need to first open your Bybit application on your mobile phone. Here you can see already have an account login now option. Tap on login now. Then you will be guided to login page. Now to reset the password, tap on forgot password option. Now if you have created your account using your mobile phone number, tap on mobile number option. If you have created with your email, tap on email, then enter your email address on the given box. After this, tap on reset password. After this, now here you need to select 3 images with the given emoji. So select the 3 images. Then the verification will be completed. Now here you'll receive a verification code on your mail. So open your email. Then look for the mail sent by Bybit and tap on it. Now here you'll be able to find a 6-digit code. You can either copy the code or remember the code. Then go back to Bybit application and then you'll be able to enter the code. After this, you'll be taken to reset password page. Now here tap on new password box and enter a strong password for your account. Then again re-enter the password on the given box. After this, tap on reset password. With this, now your password will be reset. Now here you'll be taken to login page. You can log into your account by entering your email address on the given box. Then enter your newly changed password on the given box. After you enter your login details, tap on login now. Now here solve the given puzzle by dragging the arrow. After this, you will be now successfully logged into your Bybit account and you will be able to reset your password. This is how we can reset password on Bybit. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please like, comment and share, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos.